Before you buy Jasmy, before you add it to your bag, before you get swept away by the hype, the partnerships, the upgrades, and the dreams of a future where Jasmy becomes the next big thing, there's something most investors never talk about. Something that hides behind the price chart, behind the bullish tweets, behind the excitement surrounding every new announcement. There's a dark side to Jasmy, a side that every buyer deserves to know, but many only discover after they're already invested. It begins quietly, with a small dip here, a correction there, nothing alarming at first. But then you look again, and the chart starts whispering a different story. A story filled with uncertainty, hidden pressures, and movements that don't always match the headlines. Because while many people think coins only move because of hype or utility, in reality, the market is driven by something far more unpredictable: fear. And Jasmy is no stranger to fear. In the last 24 hours alone, its price slipped more than 8%. On the surface, that sounds like typical crypto volatility. But when you look deeper, when you dive into the technicals, you start seeing the early signs, subtle, quiet, but unmistakably bearish. The RSI sitting around 40 tells you selling pressure is building. Not panic selling, but steady, consistent exits. The MACD sliding under the signal line is another warning. Momentum is shifting downward. Traders who rely on these indicators see this and they respond. Some hesitate, some exit, some simply lose confidence. And it raises the most important question buyers should ask. Are you prepared for a coin that moves this sharply? Are you ready for a project where timing matters more than hype? Are you willing to hold through fear, uncertainty, and doubt, even when the chart refuses to play fair? Because Jasmy is not a beginner-friendly coin. It's emotional, it's sensitive, it's unpredictable, and it reacts heavily to every ripple in the market. But every dark side has another side, a brighter one, a side filled with potential, upgrades, partnerships, adoption, and long-term vision. But before anyone earns the right to enjoy that upside, they must understand the risk, the volatility, and the psychological warfare that come with holding Jasmy. This isn't to scare you away. This is to prepare you, because the most dangerous thing in crypto is buying a coin without understanding what you're stepping into. And now you've seen the shadows behind the chart. You've heard the whispers behind the news. You've explored the dark side of Jasmy, the side every investor should know before clicking buy.